my name is Teresita Blanco, the Artsy Sister, and today we're doing pouring art. And like pouring is a type of acrylic painting technique that involves you take the acrylics and then you add a medium. A medium can like be like a very aqueous or liquid like acrylic that is clear, and then you add the color that you want in order to make the paint extra liquid like, and then that allows you to create interesting patterns. But like I always do like my pouring art, obviously it's not visible because all of the action is happening right off screen. But if you're doing pouring art, make certain that like the ventilator on top of your studio or kitchen or wherever it is that you're doing your painting part, make certain that like the ventilator's on, because that allows the paints to dry faster. And like, why would you want your acrylic pouring art to dry faster? Because like it's not gonna affect like the final results too much. It's not like it's gonna make the paints dry as quickly as watercolor, but it's just something that's necessary and proper to like have on so that the paint behaves properly. So yeah, so I'm using like this time a funnel in order to create like the pattern. It has like three holes in order to make like a type of three petal flower. So, and like it just keep adding in, like it's not too noticeable yet because I haven't added enough paint for it to like flow outwards. But yeah, eventually it's gonna start spilling you can like already start seeing it from one side that is already starting to like spill that into form an elegant pattern. I'm almost out of that blue. You see it in like little splatters here and there, but you know, I try to make the most out of all of my paints. Yeah, and then once I have like a decent pattern in the middle, then I'm gonna just move the paper left and right until like it covers all of the edges, while making certain that I lose as little paint as possible. But even if it's like so I lose some paint from the runoff whenever I'm maneuvering like the paper around, like I still pick it up and like shove it into like a bottle, so in order to like use it later. Cause like even leftover paints, as far as pouring art is concerned, you can still do like a dirty pour painting, which is a type of thing that you can do. So that's something. So that's an idea you can do with like the paints that just roll off the side of the camera. Just collect them and reuse them, cause like recycling saves the world in your pocket or something like that. And I'm just very shoestring with regards to how I like manage my paints. So yeah, but it's looking it's starting to look very nice, and so yeah, just sit back and enjoy the show.